Hello friends, hello students. Today we will see the first topic of digital system design, that is number system. How number system we can use in our day to day life. Now generally we are following our decimal number system where we are using 10 symbols from 0 to 9. But for computer usage and for transmission of digital information, this digital number system is not suitable. So that's why we must have to consider another number system existing over there. First of all, we have to discuss signal types. What are the different signals are there? Analog signal and digital signal. These are the main electrical signal. What is the difference between these two? Analog signal, it takes a continuous values. If you look at the signal as shown in diagram, it takes all continuous values with respect to time. Whereas if you look at digital signal, it takes only two values, either low or high value. Low value generally we are considering 0, or high value corresponding to that we are considering logical 1 value. So digital signal generally appear, it takes discrete levels, only binary or two different values. So that is your digital signal. If you compare these analog and digital signals, then analog signals suffer from noise but don't need such complex equipments, whereas digital signals, they are free from noise and we can use it for large distance communication, and we can also have to use for this somewhat complex system, but whatever results we are acquiring with this digital system, it is acceptable. Different number systems we can use for this digital transmission, digital communication. These are binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. So as shown in this table, I have shown their various symbols which we are using in corresponding number system. Then how whether we can use, humans can use or not, as well as which number system has been used by these computers. So binary number system, it has only two symbols, 0 1. Octal number system, it has this total 8 symbols, 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system, it has 16 symbols from 0 to F. So this number itself indicates that what is the base. For binary number system, base is 2. For octal number system, base is 8. For hexadecimal number, base is 16. And out of this 4, we can use only binary number system for computer applications. What is number system? In digital number system we are using to represent the information. The number system has different bases as per the name given, like decimal number system which has the base 10, binary number system with base 2, octal number system with base 8, etc. The common format which we are using to represent the number system is given by this equation, which is generalized for all number systems. First of all, we will see how we can convert binary number to decimal number. So computer has only two values which has been considered as a on or off states of a switch. So we can consider in terms of values. On is nothing but 1 and off is nothing but 0. The combination of ones and zeros forms your binary number, as only two numbers we are using. How to convert your binary number into decimal? So if suppose combination of binary number is given, then from this binary number how to get the decimal value? So this is what the procedure described over here. This number is given 1010112. We have to find out this value. So what is the last digit? It shows its position. Bit is 0, and as you move towards left, so this bit position is goes on increasing. So with this bit position we have to multiply by the power of this 2. So do this all multiplication and finally add all this result. You will get the equivalent decimal value for this binary number. Similarly, if fractional number is given, then how to do the conversion for this fractional binary number. So here method is shown over here. You have to take the powers of 2's which are negative values, and these negative values goes on increasing -1, -2, -3 like that towards the right side of radix point. Add all these results, you will get the decimal value equivalent for that binary number. Similarly, we can do conversion of decimal number to binary number.